Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. This video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And don't forget to comment me down which room decor you like. And so let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture, you can see very beautiful, you can see the kitchen decoration and all beautiful decoration, looking very beautiful decoration, the lights and all in the up lights, very beautiful lights and all looking very good. This one also you can see the up lamps, and then the side lights, you can see the floor, white color floor and all very beautiful. This one also the green color chair and the bed and the wall decoration is very beautiful, looking very good. This one you can see the uplights and all the wooden theme, very beautiful decoration. So it's looking very expensive. This one also you can see the balloons, you can see the beautiful balloons and all, and the up roof decoration, beautiful decoration and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the cotton and all the good decoration, it's looking very beautiful. The floor, the bed and all, the cottons, beautiful. This one also a good decoration, you can see the floor, the beautiful floor, you can see it's looking very good. This one also you can see you can see the house from outside, black color theme, the black color Mercedes and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the bulbs and all, and the red lights and all, the beautiful lights. The floor, you can see beautiful floors and all, looking very good. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the up lights, the cupboard, you can see you can keep things and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see the beautiful kitchen, you can see the good kitchen, the good kitchen decoration. This one also you can see the cotton and all, and the bed and the beautiful decoration. The floor, wooden theme, very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful, the wall, the bed and all, and the floor, very beautiful decoration. This one also the mirror and the lamps and all, and the floor, beautiful floor, looking very good. It's looking very beautiful. You can see this also you can see very beautiful, the outside view, the beautiful view, you can see the good view, you can see the outside. It's also a beautiful decoration, outside mirror and all, and so you can see the roof, very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. So don't know which room you like, so comment me down. So thank you for watching and have a nice day, take care.